is 50% of his body weight. And so by using that little heavier body weight, see what happens when the belts are just a little, I mean, they were just a trifle too loose. And see what happens?
Oh my God.
Loosen more.
They do loosen more, yes, because that machine pulls everything down into a certain position, and then it might be too loose. So tighten the belts, hook the machine up. Before you start it, go back, tighten again. Just like a horse. How many of you have ridden horse? You tighten the cinch, and then just before you get on, you check that cinch again. Because what does the patient do? What does the horse do?
You usually kick them in the sides of the exhale.
Oh, I do that too, but I didn't figure you'd want it. Okay, the other thing, these were in a perfect position when they were down here. Now what's happened as they've slid up, because these belts were just a trifle too low. Yeah, look at the position. And he's saying, this isn't comfortable on my arms. Look how it's digging in here. And so make sure that these are on his side and they're tightened down a lot. Okay? And the other thing is, when you come for your skill check, I expect you to have these belts hooked to the table and semi-ready to go. And that's what we would do with our patient. If we looked at our patient caseload in the morning and we saw that we had to do traction, first thing I would do, go out, get these upper belts on, get them hooked to the table. If your skill check is cervical, you just whip them off and throw them on the floor and hook up the cervical part of it. But then you have that already hooked up. Okay?
Do we have the cervical belts for this one?
We do, but it doesn't work.
Okay.
So you have to use that one over there.
Okay, good, because that's what I've done on my cervical treatment time.
Can I stop?
Yeah. Okay, let's close the table.
Okay.
Before you do that.
Oh, okay.
Don't push it.
Oh.
Okay, why don't we push it back together?
Because then I'll push them together.
Yeah, we've just undone everything we did. And so that's why that bar under there is this long, so we can just lock it in that place. So what is it telling us?
Warning.
I mashed this button because my feet are getting numb.
His
Okay,
feet
is that
is
table
getting
locked?
numb?
Deal with it.
It's beeping because you just said
His heater?
Yep, you gotta get under there.
Oh, his
and lock.
feet.
Make sure that it's locked.
Okay.
Could you ever? Well, no, but... God bless
Okay, so make
Oh,
sure
God
these
bless you.
belts are tight, super tight. If you hook these belts to the table, make sure those belts are overlapping that spot. That gives them somewhere to go to lie down. Okay? If you're doing the prone one, there's one of these harnesses that says prone harness.
Bet you use
Okay?
it for
There
prone.
are belts. What you'll find now when you go out in clinics is they're
good, yeah.
it's not ambidextrous, but you can use
Universal?
them. Yeah, there you go. Forward or backward. Yeah, they have that cut out on both sides.
Good job, Mal.
So
Now.
he was saying that his feet were going to sleep. So he doesn't have a disc problem. And so we were pushing. Plus, we should have probably raised and lowered that table a little bit to find out where
it would have been.
yeah, and that would have relieved that zingy. If you're going to use this table, we do have straps that hook to it that don't have snaps on it. Somewhere along the line, we have misplaced those straps. What I'm going to do is try to find them, and I'm going to tape them onto the table. So don't take them off the table until we're done with traction.
Deal.
Okay. So they're probably in